Greetings and welcome back. I'm out here just having a little bit of good times. Loose sand out here. Usually I go through here pretty fast, but it somehow it's I'm losing a lot of traction through here. Just another day through the desert, man. That's what I gotta say. Careful. Just gotta be careful, that's all. And get ready to put your foot down. There's a cave in there. The rear tire takes it like a champ, but to be honest with you guys, it's the front tire that leave your ass fucked up. Yeah, this is loose gravel, and you fucking the front tire doesn't get a lot of traction. So you get some spots there, it's okay, you can speed up, but then you get some spots that you get a lot of loose gravel through here, you know. It could be dangerous. Fun. Enjoy that. That was a lot of fun. I did a lot of different things right today that I ain't never done before, and I am so excited that I get to share that stuff with you guys. I really are. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I really can help a lot of, I can use the help with the subscribers. I'm reaching around, last time I checked this morning, I was 180, so trying to get to 200. So if you guys can help me out, I really appreciate that. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and please just hit me with a like. I appreciate everything you guys, the time you guys put out to watch my channel.